In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money online in South Africa by watching videos. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase a method to make some money by doing tasks, including watching videos, and this will be able to be done in South Africa. So this will be done by going to jumptask.io. There are other services that offer the exact same thing, so you can do tasks, watch videos, and so on to make money, but JumpTask is the one that I chose to highlight in this video. When you arrive at the website or you download the mobile app, you will be able to scroll down and you will find Watch and Earn. So as you can see, you can watch YouTube videos or videos from other platforms to make some quick money. Of course, this isn't going to be a significant amount. However, it is a very easy way to make a small amount of money for your time. So you click on these and you will get the instructions. So for example, this first one, you will click Start Task to begin after you read and agree to the terms, and you search this exact phrase displayed here. You find the video in the results, so they have an example here. And once you find a video like this, you watch it on 1x speed without commenting anything. Subscribe to the channel, click on the last link, and you will be able to receive your reward. So click on the option to start the task, you will be redirected automatically, and just follow the instructions from that point onwards. There's no secret to this. If you follow everything accordingly and you click on the last link in the video description, you will be able to receive your reward. It is going to be transferred into your account and you will receive in the currency that JumpTask uses. Afterwards, if you amass enough of that currency, you will be able to transfer it elsewhere, and you can make money by completing these quick tasks. I hope I was able to help you on how to make money online in South Africa by watching videos. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.